Viewers, here we discuss about the blueprint intermediate public examination AP and TS mass 2B. Mass 2B, here total paper consists section A, section B, section C. Section A, section B, section C. Okay. Section A, 2 marks problems. Totally 10. 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. And section B, totally 7 problems are there. So, we attempt 5 problems, 2 problems choice. Totally 7 problems. We attempt 5 into, this is 4 is equal to 20 marks. Section B. Section C, total 7 marks are there. We attempt 5 problems out of 7. So 5 into each carries 7 marks is equal to 35 marks. Totally 75 marks. So mass 2B 75 marks. Here section A. So first question and second question. First question and second question from circles. Third question, system of circles. System of circles. Fourth question. Here fourth question, parabola. Parabola. And fifth question from hyperbola. Hyperbola. And sixth question from here fifth question from hyperbola. Sixth and seventh question from integration. Indefinite. Integration. And eighth question covers from 8th and 9th question. 8th and 9th question from definite integration. 10th question from differential equations. Okay, all of you, these are the topics covered in section A. These are the very short answer questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay, all of you, this is the section A. And you go for section B. This is section B. Section B, question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 from circles. Question number 12. Question number 12 from system of circles. Question number 13. Question number 13 and 14. Question number 13 and 14 from ellipse. Question number 15. Question number 15 from hyperbola. Question number 16. Question number 16 from definite integration. Question number 17. Question number 17 from differential equation. This is the section B. Section B, short answer questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Now go for section C. Here section C. Section C, long answer questions are there. each question carries 7 marks, and long answer question, each question carries 7 marks. So question number 18 question, this is the circles. Question number 18 circles. Question number 18 and question number 19 from circles. Question number 20. Question number 20 from parabola. Parabola. Question number 21. Question number 21 from 21 and 22. 22 from integration. Question number 23. Question number 23. Definite integration. 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22 from integration. Question number 23. Indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. Question number 24. Differential equation. Differential equations. This is the total pattern or blueprint of the Maths 2B for IPE exam, Intermediate Public Exam, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana State. Blueprint. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have given question number 1 from circles, very short answer questions. Find the center and radius of the circle, root over 1 plus m square of x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equal to 0. So here generally circle equation. Here circle equation is given circle equation. Given circle equation. What is circle equation? Root over 1 plus m square of x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equal to 0, where c greater than 0 is given. Generally, circle equation ax square plus 2hxy or circle equation, general circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In this center minus g comma minus f and radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. This is the circle equation. General circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where center of the circle minus g comma minus f and radius of the circle r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Okay, this is the radius of the circle. Here you convert this into this part. This is equal to, this can be written as x square plus y square minus 2c by root over 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by root over 1 plus m square into y is equal to 0. Here constant term is 0. Okay, all of you. Here what is 2g? Here 2g in place of 2g minus 2c by this one, root over 1 plus. 2g is equal to what? 2g is equal to minus 2c by root over 1 plus m square. 2 cancel implies g is equal to minus c by root over 1 plus m square, and here minus g is there. Minus g is equal to c by root over 1 plus m square. And also 2f is equal to, what is 2f? 2f is equal to minus 2mc by root over 1 plus m square. Here 2 cancel, f is equal to minus mc by root over 1 plus m square minus f is equal to, this is mc by root over 1 plus m square. Then what is the center of the circle? Center of the circle, center minus g comma minus f is equal to, this is minus g comma minus f is equal to c by root over 1 plus m square comma mc by root over 1 plus m square is the center of the circle. And radius of the circle, here constant is 0, no? So radius of the circle is what? G square plus f square. Radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square. Why? Because constant is 0 in this one. So this is equal to r is equal to root over c by root over 1 plus m square comma c square by, sorry, g square, this is whole square, plus mc by root over 1 plus m square whole square. Okay, all of you, this is the radius, and you simplify that one. Here r is equal to root over, this is c square by 1 plus m square, here square root cancel, plus this is m square c square by, this is 1 plus m square. Okay, r is equal to root over LCM 1 plus m square. You take common c square 1 plus m square. This one cancel, equal to root c square is equal to c. What is radius of the circle? C. R is equal to C, and center of the circle C by root over 1 plus m square comma MC by root over 1 plus m square is the center of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have the one more problem from circles. Find the values of a and b, a comma b, if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Represent a circle. Also find radius and center of the circle. Okay, this is given. So what given, you write first. Given circle equation. Given circle equation, ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 is given circle equation. Suppose ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents circle equation. First condition, a is equal to b and h is equal to 0. Center minus g by a comma minus f by a. Radius root over g square by a square plus f square by a square minus c is the radius of the circle. Okay, this is the formula. That means here x square coefficient is equal to y square and xy coefficient is equal to 0. Okay, all of you. So this equation 1, let us you take. What is the condition? X square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. Equation 1 represents circle. Then x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. What is x square coefficient? A is equal to y square coefficient 3. So a is equal to 3. And second one, xy coefficient is equal to 0. Here xy coefficient is equal to 0. That is b is equal to 0. Okay, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 0. And one more, what is the center? Minus g by a comma minus f by a. Okay, why? Because a is equal to b. That's why you take minus g by a comma minus f by a. So center minus g by a comma, and also you write 2g 2f. 2g is equal to, first 2g is equal to what? 2g is equal to, 2g is equal to minus 5. Okay, g is equal to minus 5 by 2. 2f is equal to, 2f is equal to 2. 2 cancel, implies f is equal to 1. And constant c is equal to minus 3. And constant c is equal to minus 3. Okay, all of you. Then what is the center of the circle and radius of the circle? You find center of the circle. Center minus g by a comma minus f by a is equal to minus g. What is g? Minus of minus 5. This is 5 by 2 by a. What is the a value here? 3. 3 comma f minus f by a, that is minus 1 by a 3. This is equal to center. You can take this is 1 by 3, that is 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3 is the center of the circle. Then you have to find radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? So what is the radius of the circle? R is equal to root over g square by a square plus f square by a square minus c. So R is equal to root over G. What is G? G is equal to minus 5 by 2. G by A. G by A is equal to 5 by 6. Minus G by A, 5 by 6. That is 5 by 6 whole square. F by A minus 1 by 3 whole square. Okay. Plus minus C. What is the C value? C is equal to minus 3. So R is equal to radius of the circle 25 by 6 6 is 36 plus 1 by 9 plus 3, radius of the circle. So you simplify this one. Here what is here? R is equal to root over 36 is the LCM. This is 25. 9 4 is 36. So 4 plus 3 into 36. 3 6 is 18. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 10. 108. So this value is equal to root over, this is 29 plus 29. 29 plus 108. So what is the value? 17. 3. 137. 137 by 36. Okay, all of you. 137 by 36. How many times will go? 136. 137. 137. So here root over 137 by 36 is the, that is R is equal to square root 137 by 6 units. This is the radius of the circle. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have the problem from circles. If the center of the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0 is 2 comma 3. Find the values of a comma b and the radius of the circle. Okay, you see here we have given circle equation. Given circle equation is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus plus c equal to 0. Minus 12 equal to 0. This is given. Minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, all of you. Generally, ax square or x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Circle equation. Circle equation with center minus g comma minus f and radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula. What is the general circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Radius of the circle r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c is the radius of the circle. Okay, all of you. Here, center of the circle. What is the center of the circle here? Minus g comma minus f. So, minus here 2g is equal to, comparing with this equation, 2g is equal to a, g is equal to a by 2. A by 2. 2f is equal to b, f is equal to b by 2. Okay, all of you. So here center of the circle minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. Minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. Center of the circle from given equation. But given center 2 comma 3 is equal to c minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. Minus a by 2 is equal to what? 2 implies minus a is equal to 4, a is equal to minus 4. Minus b by 2 is equal to 3, minus b is equal to 6 and b is equal to minus 6. So a is equal to what? Minus 4, b is equal to what? Minus 6. And we have to find the values of a comma b are minus 4 comma minus 6 completed. We have to find the radius of the circle. R is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. So root over. What is constant? Constant c is equal to minus 12. Here c is equal to minus 12. Then g square. G is equal to what? G is equal to a by 2. So here a by 2 whole square plus f is equal to b by 2. So b by 2 whole square minus c. What is c? Minus 12. Minus 12 is equal to root over a is equal to what? A is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2 whole square 4 plus b is equal to what? Minus 6 by 2, 2 3 ja. So 3 square. 3 square is 9. Okay. Plus 12 equal to root 13 plus 12 is equal to root 25. R is equal to root 25 value 5. Radius of the circle is equal to 5 and A is equal to minus 4. B is equal to minus 6. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here one more problem from circles. Find the values of G and F if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 is equal to 0. Represent the circle with center 2 comma 3 and radius. So we have to find g comma f and also radius of the circle. Okay, all of you. Here given circle equation. Given circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0. Center of the circle is given 2 comma 3. Okay. Generally, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Center minus g comma minus f, and radius r is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c is the radius of the circle and center of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represent a circle equation. Then center of the circle c minus g comma minus f, radius of the circle root over g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula. So here this represent a circle. So minus g comma minus, this is equation 1. Equation 1 represents circle equation, that is minus g comma minus x. Circle equation, center c is equal to given center 2 comma 3 equal to given center. So what is minus g is equal to 2? Minus g is equal to 2, equating x terms, that is minus g is equal to 2 and g is equal to minus 2. Minus f is equal to 3 implies f is equal to minus 3. These are the g comma f. And radius r is equal to what? Root over g square plus f square minus c. But what is c here? Constant. What is c here? Constant. C is equal to minus 12. Okay, all of you. Then you substitute here root over g square minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 3 whole square plus minus c minus of, what is c value? Minus 12. Minus 12. Okay, all of you. This is r is equal to root over 4 plus 9 plus 12 root 25 is equal to 5. Radius of the circle is 5 and g value is minus 2, f value is minus 3. Okay, all of you. That's all.